Good evening, ma'am. I, Simranjit Kaur, is here to give a presentation on the topic studying investment options and investors' attitude towards investment in private insurance company. So the agenda for this presentation will be about the company, the capital box, marketing concepts, in which I will be discussing about the SWOT analysis and Porter's five forces, internship work, SIP topic, learning, and lastly the conclusion. About the company, the Capital Box. It is founded on 14 July 2016, situated in Gurgaon, which works under the financial sector and mainly deals in the various financial instrument and other activities like insurance, mutual funds, SIP, that is systematic investment plan, business taxation, other taxes, and personal funds. Expertise area of Capital Box are tax solution, retirement solution, and risk management. With the help of these areas, the company acts as a consultancy and expert advisors for their clients as well as for their partners. Why Capital Box? Because the company helps in retention of customer satisfaction, mutual understanding between the company and the customer, and also they helps in achieving the financial goals for them. Now the partners. The company has a tie with three of their partners, that is Punjab National Bank, MetLife, Future Generali Life Insurance Company, and Aditya Birla Sun Life. Now the competitors of the Capital Box are Capital First, PolicyX.com, CapMatrix, and Insurance Tech. These are the four major competitors of Capital Box, which basically deals under the financial sector. Marketing concept. In this, I will be discussing about the SWOT analysis. It is basically a strategic planning which helps the industry or the company to identify its strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. In strength, they maintain a long-lasting relationship with their clients, customer satisfaction, and mutual understanding between the customer and the company. Weakness. As being a startup, various customers are not aware about this company and their services. Less expansion due to the growth rate and market share in the industry. Opportunities are participation within the stable and the growing industry, and they're competing with the other competitors of the same industry. Threats, high competitors with the new entrants that are coming in the same industry, and the customers are being switched to the different investment option. Weak economy due to the pandemic of COVID-19. Now the Porter's five forces. It is basically a model which tells the company or industry to focus on the five major competitive forces. That is competitive rivalry. With the high competition in the industry, they are competing with the low prices and high return strategies. Threat of new entrant. Various startups under this financial sector that are coming, and they are subject to the new law and regulation. Bargaining power of customers. As customer influence to pay a huge amount of premium. Bargaining power of suppliers. As the supplier being the agent and distributor, they have a huge influence on the customers so that they can pay a huge amount of premium towards their financial products. Threat of substitute products. In this, the various products are coming in the industry, so the investors are being switched to the other investment options. Now the workflow. Basically, the company has gave us a training session of 10 days in which they brief us about the company, the HR policies, the partners, also about the financial planning, financial pyramid, portfolio management. They also taught us about the life insurance, why life insurance is important in today's life insurance contract, that is a contract that's done between the customer and the insurer. About a PNB MetLife, their product that was guarantee income plan and super saver plan. They also give a brief introduction about the sales and also about the documentation and payment procedures of the insurance policies. After the completion of the training period, the next stage was the sales and marketing stage, in which my role was to pitch and convince client regarding the insurance policy. And with this, I used to conduct meetings with them and discuss about the insurance policy. And at the end of the day, I used to update all my sales target and work to my company right through the conference call. After the completion of the sales and marketing stage, there was research work that was conducted from home itself due to the pandemic of COVID-19, and the work was assigned by my company guide to all of us. After this research work was done, the online training sessions were conducted by my company, in which they have discussed about the Manipal Sigma, their products, health insurance, why health insurance is important in today's generation, term plan, ULIPs, about the PNB MetLife, and also they have give a brief introduction about the mutual funds. Then a part of this training sessions and other work which I have done, I've also pursued some of the certified courses, that was digital marketing course and emotional intelligence. About the SIP topic, that was investment options, investors' attitude towards investment in private insurance company. So I will segregate this whole topic in three parts, that is investment option. The study focuses on insurance, mutual fund, SIP and fixed deposit. Then investors' attitude towards investment. In this, it will focus on investors' attitude, their behavior, their perception towards various investment options. And lastly, private insurance company. The study will focus on four major private insurance company, that is HDFC Life Insurance, SBI Life Insurance, Max Life Insurance, and Tata AIG Life Insurance. Now, the objective of the study, that is comparative analysis between the public and the private insurance company on the various parameters like return, settlement ratio, and claim ratio, etc. To focus and improve the investment patterns of the investors. Lastly, to study about the investors' perception or their behavior, their attitude towards the various investment options. Methodology for the study will be primary and secondary data. With primary data, a survey was conducted by me through a well-framed questionnaire, and secondary data, all the information was collected from various reports, articles, and websites for the study. Now, the learnings. What I've learned from this 3 months of my internship being as a summer intern in this company. Understanding the consumer behavior, pitching the clients and convincing them for the insurance policy. Also an enhanced knowledge about different investment option and also about my SIP topic. And also I've done the research work on it. Time management is most important in today's life, and also working as summer intern, which gave me immense understanding and exposure in the corporate life. And also I've learned about the digital marketing and emotional intelligence, as it gives a value addition for me. Now, lastly, the conclusion. As we know that investors are the real pillars for the success of the insurance business, so it is important for the insurers to keep their policyholders satisfied and retained. Now, although we know that there was a huge impact on insurance sector, as they have lost roughly around 48% of their market value. Lastly, investment patterns, attitude, perception, and demographic factors play an important role in deciding the purchase of investment options. Thank you, ma'am.